Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails using Canva, and the best part, it's absolutely free. Thumbnails are crucial for grabbing viewers' attention, and with Canva's easy-to-use tools, you'll be able to make professional-looking thumbnails in no time. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your design skills, this tutorial will help you create professional-looking thumbnails that grab attention and increase your click-through rate. So, let's get started. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create a professional YouTube thumbnail using Canva. Step 1. Sign up or log into Canva. 1. Go to Canva, visit Canva's website. 2. Sign up/login, create a free account or log in if you already have one. Step 2. Start a new design. 1. Search for YouTube thumbnail. In the search bar, type a YouTube thumbnail and select the template option. 2. Create a new design. Click on YouTube thumbnail to open a blank canvas or browse through the pre-made templates. Step 3. Choose a template. 1. Browse templates. Canva offers numerous free templates. Choose one that fits the style and theme of your video. 2. Select template. Click on a template to open it in the editor. Step 4. Customize your thumbnail. 1. Background. Change background. Click on the background to change its color, or use a background image. Upload image. If you have a specific image for your background, click Uploads on the left sidebar and upload your image. Hey there! If you're enjoying this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to the content. 2. Text. Add text. Click on a text in the sidebar to add new text boxes. Edit text. Click on existing text boxes to edit the text. Use the toolbar at the top to change the font, size, color, and alignment. 3. Images and icons. Add images. Use elements to find and add shapes, icons, or additional images. Upload your own. You can also upload your own images or logos to use in the thumbnail. 4. Layers. Arrange elements. Use the position tool to move elements forward or backward to arrange them correctly. Step 5. Fine-tune your design. 1. Consistency. Ensure the colors, fonts, and overall style match your channel's branding. 2. Contrast. Make sure the text is easy to read. Use contrasting colors between text and background. 3. Readability. Keep the text short and to the point. Use large, bold fonts that are easy to read at a glance. 4. Visual appeal. Add elements like icons, logos, or other graphics to make your thumbnail more attractive. Step 6. Save and download. 1. Save design. Canva automatically saves your progress. 2. Download thumbnail. Click the Share button at the top right corner. Select Download. Choose the file type. PNG is recommended for thumbnails. Click Download to save the file to your computer. Step 7. Upload to YouTube. 1. Upload video. Go to YouTube and upload your video. 2. Add thumbnail. During the upload process, you'll see an option to upload a custom thumbnail. Click on it and select the thumbnail you created in Canva. Bonus tips for making effective thumbnails. 1. Faces. Thumbnails with faces often attract more clicks. 2. Emotion. The expressive faces can convey the emotion or excitement of the video. 3. Text. Include a few words that describe the video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more great content. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you get notified every time we post a new video. See you in the next one. Thank you.